Helicopters have been an indispensable tool of war and peace since their widespread adoption in the 1940s and 1950s. The technology used in helicopters has advanced significantly, enabling the development of hybrid helicopter airplanes, advanced attack helicopters, and super heavy transports. The U.S. military in particular has a vast fleet of helicopters that cater to various needs, from combat and transport to medical evacuation and reconnaissance. This list examines some of the most diverse range of American helicopters that have played their part in the helicopter revolution. Bell UH-1 Iroquois. More than just a helicopter, the Huey is a symbol of the Vietnam War era. First introduced in 1956, this versatile workhorse quickly gained fame for its adaptability. The Huey served admirably in numerous roles, including troop transport, medical evacuation, earning the nickname Dust-Off, and armed assault with gunship variants. Its iconic bubble canopy provided excellent visibility for pilots and crew, making it a favorite for scouting and reconnaissance. While the Huey has largely been phased out of the U.S. military, it remains in service with some U.S. allies and continues to hold a special place in American military history. The Sikorsky SH-3 Sea King. For decades, the mighty Sea King patrolled the vast expanse of the world's oceans, safeguarding the U.S. with its anti-submarine warfare (ASW) capabilities. This twin-engine helicopter, introduced in 1961, was a vital asset for the U.S. Navy. Equipped with dipping sonar and magnetic anomaly detection, or MAD gear, it could hunt and track enemy submarines. The Sea King wasn't limited to just ASW, however. Its spacious cabin and powerful engines made it well suited for secondary roles like search and rescue, SR, vertical replenishment, VERTREP, delivering supplies between ships at sea, and transporting personnel and cargo. The Sea King's long and distinguished service record ended in the late 1990s when it was replaced by the smaller, more agile Sikorsky SH-60 Seahawk. Boeing CH-47 Chinook. A champion of heavy lifting, the Chinook is a true workhorse known for its immense cargo capacity and powerful tandem rotor configuration. For over 60 years, it has been a mainstay in transporting troops, equipment, and supplies across some of the world's most challenging battlefields. From the jungles of Vietnam to the scorching deserts of Iraq and Afghanistan, the Chinook has proven its mettle time and again. Its impressive payload capacity allows it to carry a squad of troops, a Humvee vehicle, or even tow heavy artillery pieces. The Chinook's unique tandem rotor design provides exceptional stability and lifting power even at high altitudes, making it ideal for mountainous regions. This dependable helicopter remains a critical component of U.S. military logistics. The Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane. Not your average military helicopter, the Skycrane tackles heavy lift tasks that would phase most conventional aircraft. This behemoth, introduced in 1962, boasts the distinction of being the largest commercially produced helicopter in the world. With its massive external hook and powerful engines, the Skycrane can move outsized cargo that would be impossible for conventional helicopters. While not technically a part of the U.S. military's official fleet, the Skycrane has been a valuable asset in times of need. It has been contracted by the U.S. military for various tasks, including disaster relief efforts, transporting oversized or damaged military equipment, and even assisting with construction projects on military bases. The Sikorsky CH-53 Stallion, Sea Stallion. Another heavy lifter in the U.S. military arsenal is the CH-53E Super Stallion, a powerful and versatile helicopter derived from the earlier CH-53 Sea Stallion. This aerial powerhouse boasts an impressive cargo bay, allowing it to transport troops, vehicles, and equipment over long distances. The CH-53 has been a mainstay in Vietnam, Iraq, and Afghanistan, proving its value in transporting troops, supplies, and even conducting mine-clearing operations. Its powerful engines and advanced features, such as a computer-assisted cargo handling system, make it a crucial asset for complex battlefield operations. Bell AH-1 Cobra. Born for the crucible of the Vietnam War, the Cobra is a renowned attack helicopter instantly recognizable by its distinctive tandem seating arrangement, with the pilot seated in front and the gunner in the back operating a chin-mounted weapon system. This iconic design, introduced in 1965, provided exceptional visibility for both crew members, crucial in the fast-paced environment of air combat. The Cobra packed a punch with its 20mm cannon, rockets, and TOW anti-tank missiles. The Cobra proved to be a formidable weapon against enemy ground forces and armored vehicles, earning a reputation as a tank killer. While the AH-1 has largely been replaced by the more advanced AH-64 Apache, it remains a significant helicopter in U.S. military history. Sikorsky UH-60 Blackhawk or SH-60 Seahawk. These two helicopters, while fulfilling distinct roles, share a common airframe, showcasing the versatility of U.S. military helicopter design. The UH-60 Blackhawk, introduced in 1974, is a workhorse utility helicopter that tackles a wide range of tasks. It excels in troop transport, medical evacuation, earning the nickname Blackhawk Medevac, and special operations missions due to its maneuverability and adaptability. The SH-60 Seahawk, also introduced in 1974, is the naval variant of the Blackhawk. This helicopter defends the seas with its anti-submarine warfare (ASW) capabilities, maritime security patrols, and search and rescue missions. Both Blackhawk variants continue to be a mainstay of U.S. military aviation. Boeing AH-64 Apache, a global icon of attack helicopter design, the Apache is a premier weapon system. Heavily armed and boasting advanced avionics and weapon systems, it has been a linchpin of U.S. air power for decades. Introduced in 1986, the Apache has seen combat in Vietnam, Iraq, and Afghanistan, striking fear in enemies with its devastating firepower. Its advanced targeting systems allow for precise engagement with air and ground targets, even in low-light conditions. The AH-64 Apache continues to be upgraded and improved, ensuring its place as a dominant force on the battlefield. Bell V-22 Osprey. The Osprey is a unique tilt-rotor aircraft that blends the best of both worlds. The vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities of a helicopter with the forward flight speed and range of a turboprop airplane. Introduced in 2007, the Osprey offers unparalleled versatility for the U.S. military. Its ability to take off and land from almost anywhere makes it ideal for troop transport, medical evacuation, and special operations missions, particularly in remote locations. While the Osprey has faced some challenges and controversies during its development, it continues to prove its value as a revolutionary aircraft. MD Helicopters MH-6. A stealthy special operations warrior, the Little Bird is a highly modified UH-60 Blackhawk. This mean machine packs a punch in a small package. Its agility and maneuverability make it ideal for close air support and reconnaissance missions, particularly in urban environments. The Little Bird's modifications often include removing unnecessary weight and armor to enhance its speed and nimbleness. Armed with a variety of weaponry, it provides crucial support to special operations forces on the ground.